Good day guys, welcome back to the King's Tutorial class. In today's class we're looking at the graphical representation of logarithmic functions. Now for today's example we're using y equals log x base e. In which case, to represent it on the graph, you need to get your x values and get the values of what? Log x. Now we picked arbitrary values of x which are what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and what? 0.5. Where when you press what is log 5, you get what? 1.61. When you press log 4, you get 1.39. Up to when you press log 0.5, you get what? Minus 0.69. Now, in which case, to represent this on a graph, it's as simple as saying what? Plot your graph, your x and y axis. Now, in plotting your graph, what are the values of y? We have more of positive and less of negative. So let me bring my x-axis down. Bring my x-axis down. I have what? Minus 0.69. I could use the count of 0.5 to represent them. So if I use 0.5, I'm going to be having what? Minus 0.5 minus 1.0. For the positive values of y, I'm going to have what? 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 4.5, no, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, then 5.0, which are my positive y values. And these are my negative what? Y values. Now for x values, I have them as what? 0.5 to what? That's what? 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, then what? 5.0. Now to plot, very simple. You take your x-axis, trace it to your y-axis. My x first value is what? 5.0. I'll trace to what? 1.61. 1.61 is around this point. So I can trace it up to this point. This is my 1.61, 5.0. We now have 4.0, 1.39. This 4.0, 1.39 should be around this point. 3 and 1.1 and 1.1 should be around this point. 2 and 0.69 should be around this is okay, that's 2 and 0.69 should be around this point. Then we now have 1 and 0. This is 1 and 0 on your graph. Then for 0.5 we have what? Minus 0.69. So that should come under here. Plot your graph, then you have what? You have something like this. So basically that's how to what? Plot logarithmic functions on what? On the graph.